Hello guys, today we're gonna remove the door panels on this Toyota Proace 2018. For this operation you will need a plastic trim removal tool and two torque head screwdrivers, a T30 and a T20. The door panel is held in place by a total of 6 screws. One screw is located behind this plastic cover. One screw is located under this plastic piece with the Windows buttons. Two screws under this huge trim. One screw near the speaker grill. One screw down here. And of course plastic clips all around the panel. The first thing you want to do is grab your plastic trim removal tool and remove this plastic cover starting from this point. The plastic cover is held in place by two plastic clips. This is how it looks like. And also down here you can see a plastic clip which is fixed in this hole. The Windows buttons cover is held in place by 4 metal clips located right here and a hook made of plastic in this part. So you want to start removing it with the plastic trim removal tool from here. You can see here the clips, and you can now work yourself around with the tool. Use your hand and remove this part. And there's one screw. This huge trim has also some plastic clips located here, and here there's also a plastic hook, so you want to start removing it from this place. I'm using my hands for this operation. Gently work your hands around the piece. You can see the plastic hook which goes right here, and 1 and 2 screws. Also here you can see there are a couple of plastic clips that are fixed in this handle. They can be removed like this. 1 and 2. After removing the screws, the next thing you want to do is use your plastic trim removal tool, wedge it between the door panel and the metal piece, and work yourself around it till you hear the clips pop. After you have gained enough room to stick your hand between these pieces, use your hands to work yourself around it. This one got off easily, so you can see it's free, and now you can grab it and lift it. And the door panel is off. You can see the plastic clips. So that's all. Bye.